is here for you. Yes. So today we are going to play puzzles about policeman and a worker. A policeman can catch the thieves and corrupt person, and a worker can do construction work. Yes, construction work. So first of all, we will make a policeman, and after that a worker picture. Okay, for policeman we will find policeman's clothes. Yes, first of all we will find policeman clothes. I think policeman has blue clothes. This one, yes. We need to place it like this, and the other part, yes, we have here the other part like this. Yes. Now what we need to do, we need to find policeman's cap. Yes, policeman's cap. Where is the cap? Where is the cap? Policeman cap. Yes, we have here a policeman cap. Now we need to find this part. We need to find this part with black and yellow color. Black and yellow color. This one, yes. You can see. Wow, it looks perfect. Okay, now we need to find policeman's eyes. Policeman's eyes. Where are the policeman's eyes? Can you find? I think these are. Yes, I think these are. We need to place them like this. We need to place them like this. Now the mouth is left. The mouth is left. The policeman is smiling. So we need to place here smiling mouth. And I think this one. Yes, this one. Okay, you can see the policeman picture is complete. Okay, so now we will make a worker picture. A worker has yellow and blue clothes. Yellow and blue clothes. And yes, you can see similar. Yes, it looks similar. So you need to place it here like this, and the other part, this one, no, this one, yes, this one is the other part. So you need to place them, the both parts, you need to place them like this. Now we will find cap. Worker has yellow cap. Yes, yellow color cap. Where are you? Yellow color cap. other part, the other part, where are you? I am here. Yes, the other part is here. Now, the worker's eyes, where are you? The worker's eyes, where are you? The worker's eyes, I think yes, this one. We need to place the eyes. We need to place the eyes like this. We need to place the worker's eyes like this. Okay. The worker is screaming. Yes, the worker is screaming. Yes, screaming. So we need to find his mouth. I think this one. Yes, this one. Okay. You can see the worker picture is complete. The worker picture is complete. You can see the worker picture and policeman picture are complete. Okay. So, have you enjoyed today's video? Really? Okay, I will see you soon with the next video. Till